I'm just about to reveal how regular people make money with Pinterest and TikTok, and I know that is a weird combination, but it's gonna make perfect sense in a second, so stick with me and let's get started. Now, we're gonna leverage both of these different platforms for two different reasons. And when it comes to TikTok, it is well known at this point that you can get viral content quite easily, or at least it is far easier than on YouTube. You could literally post a product review and get 5 million views, just like this user has done, and that just goes to show that the algorithm is there to help you. Now guys, here's what I want you to do next. A little bit of competition research. I want you to search for random Amazon finds on TikTok and you're gonna stumble upon all of these different short clips. These are just some random content creators that grab their phone camera and start shooting some videos reviewing random Amazon finds. That is rather self-explanatory, isn't it? But here's the tricky part. This can actually get monetized. There are a lot of ways you can do that. First and foremost, if you're posting content that is original, you can get paid by TikTok directly for your contribution. But on top of that, you gotta keep in mind that these guys are promoting items, so there is some affiliate income involved there as well. And here's how it works. Let's take a look at this account. It's got over 1.9 million followers and awesome engagement. Each and every single one of their videos generates hundreds of thousands, if not millions of views. And the thing is, they're actually affiliated with all of the products they are promoting. But you don't have to take my word for it. We can just check the link that is pinned in their bio. Take a look at this. If we click on that, we will be taken straight over to this website right here. Let's just pick car must-haves. This is a random pick. And there you go. We will be redirected straight over to Amazon, where we can basically find all of the different items they have reviewed in their videos. But here's the thing. There is a drawback here. This guy is actually leaving a lot of money on the table. Why? Well, let's imagine the following scenario. Let's just say you're exploring your TikTok For You page and you come across one of these videos. Let's say it's this product right here, or one of these. And let's say you absolutely love it. You think it's a great pick, you actually need it in your life, and so you want to make an impulsive purchase. You want to spend money today, okay? So how are you gonna do that? Well, you can click on the video and start looking for links, but you cannot find it. TikTok doesn't allow you to add any links in the comments. It doesn't allow you to have any links in the description either. So it literally seems like they are making things difficult for us. Put it very simply, the drawback here, the bottleneck, is that you cannot send people directly from the video to the Amazon product. And so you have to find creative ways around it. The way this guy did it is actually pretty clever, but it could be done better. And that's what we are going for today. You see, they have created a presentation page here with all sorts of different categories. Let's just say you stumble upon this product right here, and this is a kitchen must-have. So you will go to the respective category, click on that, you will be taken to Amazon, and now good luck finding it. There are hundreds of different items here, so it's gonna take a while. And I have absolutely no doubt that there are a lot of people slipping through the cracks here, because this is a difficult process. You wanna make things as straightforward as possible if you wanna get maximum conversions. You don't just want to leave people guessing. And for that reason, we're gonna make use of Pinterest, but more on that in a second. There's something else we need to cover before. You see, if you wanted to become an Amazon affiliate, it's a pretty straightforward process. What you have to do is head over to Amazon Associates. This is basically Amazon's in-house affiliate program that allows you to start promoting any item on their website for a commission. All you would have to do is apply for a new account. This is just a matter of entering in your credentials and you're good to go. Moving forward, whenever you generate the sale through your custom affiliate link, you will receive a commission, and generally speaking, it's somewhere around 5 to 10%. But that is good enough because it's all a numbers game here. This guy is probably selling thousands of items on a daily basis. So how can we replicate that? How can we achieve his results? Well guys, you do not have to reinvent the wheel. You can literally model your competitors. All of these guys are doing the same thing. They just order an item off of Amazon, then they start filming it, and that's it. You just got yourself a random Amazon find video, a product review, and it serves its purpose. If you think about it for a second, somebody watches the video, you're playing around, you're fidgeting around with that item, and so they get to see whether or not it is worth the money without having to order it themselves. So this is just a really attractive concept. People get to test products without actually having to purchase them upfront. That is why this sort of random Amazon finds videos get absolutely viral on TikTok. The psychology behind it is actually quite smart, and you can do the same thing. Guys, all it takes is literally finding a unique item on Amazon. Let's just say it's one of these. Then all you gotta do is click on this text right here and grab your custom affiliate link. It is effortless. The difficult part is generating enough traffic, and that's where you need to look for creative ways. But luckily for us, there are a lot of competitors out there that we can model. And not only are we going to model what they are doing, but we're gonna make it better. We will improve upon what they are doing and make it even more efficient so that we get a better conversion rate. Here's the thing, guys, we gotta reimagine that scenario. So somebody comes across our video on their For You page. They absolutely love the product and they wanna place an order. What are they gonna do? They will probably check our profile and they will see there is a link in my bio. They will most likely click on that because they are interested in purchasing the product, and this is where the magic happens. Instead of letting them fidget around and try to find that item, which most people are not gonna do, we wanna give them easier access to the item, right? And that is how you can leverage Pinterest. You see, what you can do is create a profile that is specifically tailored for redirecting traffic from your TikTok to Amazon. This is literally going to act as a landing page for all of the traffic you're getting on TikTok. And here's how that works. All you gotta do is create a new pin by clicking on the plus icon. Now, as you can see, unfortunately, Pinterest doesn't allow you to upload videos. This platform is tailored around JPEGs, around regular photos. For that reason, we need to be creative once again. You see, what you can do is literally take a standstill of that video, let's say it's this one. You can just take a screenshot and then perhaps turn it into a GIF. You can just head over to easygif.com, and this is where the magic happens. What you need to do at this point is just upload your files. And that would just be a collection of different screenshots from one of these videos. You just want to capture the most important, the most significant frames. So I'm gonna do just that. Now, for the sake of simplicity, I have only uploaded 4 files, but you can upload a lot more than that. So let's just turn them into a GIF. And at this point, you can even play around with the delay and all sorts of different features to make it look even better. But we want to keep things simple here. So this is what a GIF actually looks like. Now, this is a pretty good presentation of that item. People can see it clearly, everything is crystal clear, and if they want to purchase the item, they will have a very straightforward way of doing so. Here's what I mean. Well, first off, we gotta download it, so let's just right-click on it and save the image on our device. Now you wanna head back over to Pinterest and upload it. And there you have it. Again, Pinterest does allow GIFs, but they do not allow long-format videos. When it comes to the title, what you want to do is just add the name of the item. Now that's gonna take a while because I gotta find it here. And that's precisely what I was talking about. Just imagine if I wanted to actually purchase it. I would have to spend 15 to 20 minutes just searching for it on this page. And there you have it. Now, if you wanted to become an affiliate and start promoting this precise item, what you have to do is click right there and then copy your custom affiliate link. But remember, you also have to copy the name of the item in order to paste it as a title, so let's do that first. And then, when it comes to the description, this is where you will just paste your affiliate link, and Pinterest will not have anything against it. That is the beauty of using this platform. And you can also add a call to action, something along the lines of buy the item on Amazon. Now let's just save it and we're good to go. And ultimately, as mentioned before, the goal of using Pinterest is just making the process a little bit smoother for the potential clients that are looking to actually purchase those items, so they don't have to waste a lot of time finding them. But the most important part is that you actually start putting out content, recording these very simple, straight to the point reviews. Now, of course, if you're just starting out right now and you've never done it before, the quality of your videos is not going to be anywhere close to the quality of this guy's videos, because he's been doing it for quite a while now. But that doesn't really matter. Taking action is a lot more important. One thing is for sure, unless you take action and you start putting out content, it's not gonna work. So your only shot is actually doing it. And at this point, I genuinely think you have all of the steps you can follow in order to make this work. And all that's left for you to do is try and get out. That's it for now, and thanks for watching.